Hello there and welcome to this video. I've been asked by a few members if I can show how I build the spreadsheet so quickly. What do I do? There is a section in the book on building spreadsheets which I would advise you learn and go into. Just what I'll say about Excel briefly is when I started I knew very little. Now I think I'm quite adept at it, quite decent at using it. Formulas, etc., merging cells, pivot tables, building in macros, etc. and to be fair, one thing I'll say about Excel, it's a very good skill to have, not for betting, but for just general to the way business is moving. Maybe even beyond Excel actually, but Excel is a very good place to start learning another skill. So I'm just show you quickly within 10 minutes how you can build these sheets. So if I just use this sheet as an example, this is one of the examples we use where we wanted to back the home team. So what I'll do is I'll take the RO1 and all the data. As you can see, we've got all the data here. And if I press, the first thing I'll do, I'll press left mouse to highlight the whole page. In fact, bear with me. The first thing I'll actually do is open a new tab to put the data in. So as you can see here, I can click and open a new page by clicking this little button here. Then I'll go to my RO1, left click the mouse to highlight the whole tab, right click to open this, left click and I'll press copy, and I'll go to my sheet 2. I'll right click and I'll press here, paste that detail then. Then for me personally, if I'm building this, I would then highlight all these and I would go data and filter, and that just sets a filtering thing back up again. You can see at the moment the data's not scrolling, so what I'd do here, I would highlight where under the tab where I want to be, under the row I want to be froze, so I want this row to be frozen, so I'd highlight here, I go into here and I just type in freeze panes, highlight, freeze panes there. As you can see, they're now frozen. Now let's just suppose, for example, I know in this example here I used only back in the home team, but just to show you how we build another one, an even more complicated one. Let's suppose I wanted to back the home team and also lay the draw. So I would get rid of all the other data. So away is completely irrelevant to me. So I would delete. And I would get rid of all the correct scores. And I would delete. Okay. Then all I would do here now is I would type in excuse me, start balance, stake, profit and loss. In fact, no, we need one more actually. I would type in combined because we've got two markets. I would type in running balance. We can get an overview of the whole balance. I would type in start balance for our bets. I would type in stake, net profit and loss, closing balance, and any debits or withdrawals to the strategy you want to make. So you can see that I've added another 7 columns. Okay, so now I'd go up here. In fact, the first thing I'd do actually now would be highlight these. There's no real order, you can do this in any order. Highlight all that. I'd press filter again. You can see the filters have come off. I would press filter one more time. As you can see, our filters have come on all the way with our new data. Okay. I personally like a bit of visual effects, so I highlight these, right click the mouse, format cells, and I press border. That just helps me break it up. That's not essential, of course. Now what we need to put here is our points bank. So again, left highlight 2 cells, go to the home tab, press merge and center, and type in here start balance. The same again, highlight two cells, merchant center, points bank, and we'll put our start balance as £1,000. Point 20 for the draw as well. And again, I'll just use a bit of just to break it up, make it a bit visual. I would right click there as well, format cells, just so I can get the right 2 decimal places. Okay, now combined, I want to know the net profit if I'd backed the home team and laid the draw. So I would put equals, and I'll click on that. Left click, you can see it's come up there. So I want to know that. Left click to get a little cursor, add, and I want to click on there as well. Okay, or you can type it in, you could type in Q6. Okay, but I'll just click on there. And as you can see, that has now added that and that together. Now click the right side of the mouse, press copy, so it copies the formula, and I just highlight all this, and this is just a simple copy and paste. And you can actually let this go on further. As you can see, that now has all the combined profit and loss. I now want to also take a running balance as well. So what I do here is I would, after the first game, I'll ask it for this balance, which is equals R6. Let me type this one in this time. After, I want to add this and this together because this is the running balance and I want to add the latest bet to it. So I'd put equals S6, add R7. I'll put, next one is equals S7, add R8. You can see this figure should go up, and all this figure is, this is just updating the figure of the overall balance. And again, same me keep writing the formula, I just right click there, press copy, highlight all the way down, and press paste. Okay, now I move to the to the betting side, and I'll put equals. I want it to equal U1, so U1, a start balance. My stake will equal my start balance, so it equals T6, and I want to divide it by my points bank, which is U2. Now here, because I always want it to be U2, I don't want it to change, I don't want the I always want it to be 20 points. So I have to make sure that Excel always keeps it this tab here, this cell here. So I type in a $, and the letter U. That refers to the column U in there. And another $, and 2. That refers to row 2. Dollar signs are crucial because the dollar signs means that it remains the same on the same tab, which is 20 points. And there we have it. Net profit and loss. This is a very simple thing. This will be this figure here multiplied by this figure here. So I would put equals R6 multiply by U6. And there we go, that would be my net profit and loss. And my closing balance would be my start balance add my net profit and loss. So that is equals T6 add P6. Okay. My start balance for my next bet is obviously the same balance as closes here. So that would be equals W6. The stake I want to keep the same. So all I need to do, I don't even need to, I can either just get that cell there and drag that cell down one, and that will do that formula automatically. Same with my net profit and loss. As you can see, I can go there. Or the other thing I can do, I can right click on there, press copy, highlight, and press paste. Okay, and it works out, and that is really, and that is all it is really. It's simple as that. All I need to do now to get that formula all the way down is highlight all them, and again I can either drag here, and it does it automatically. So again I highlight the 4, see that little thing there, left mouse, left click on there and just drag it down, and it comes all the way down. As you can see, factoring the loss, everything's done automatically for us now. So at this point here, my start balance before this bet was £1,504. We would have staked £75. We'd lost £456. Our new balance is 947, and it just adds it all up. It just works all the way through. We go up, we go down. As you can see, eventually, as per most of our strategies, they come out on top. And that is basically it, how you set up. That is the very basics of setting up the spreadsheet. I'll probably do some more videos on this to highlight. I've probably missed a few things out, so I'll probably get some questions back in, and then I'll probably do a second and third video. I won't redo this video now, but that should give you a very quick outline on how to do it. Okay, thanks for listening. Thank you.